But I couldn't see beyond the pain. I never knew I made it high enough to know this. I'm getting closer, stronger than I've ever been. And I believe that I'm unstoppable. And I believe I've only just begun.